Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now today, I'm going to guide you on how to take the very best school and college photos for websites and prospectuses. Now, as we all know, a picture speaks 1,000 words, and the right photo, well, that can make all the difference in attracting potential students to your college or university. So let's get started with some tips on how to capture the perfect shots. Tip number 1, lighting is key. That's right, natural lighting is the best. So, try take your photos outside or near a window with plenty of light. Avoid fluorescent and artificial light at all costs, as it can make your pictures look dull and unflattering. It's awful. So tip number 2, use good quality cameras. While you can take photos with your smartphone, investing in a really good DSLR camera can really make a difference in the quality of your pictures. A high resolution camera is going to allow you to capture more detail and produce photos that are crisp and clearer, and can be used way bigger in the prospectus, as well as giving you the option to print them out as posters for use all around the college. And finally, tip number 3, pose your subjects. Whether it's a group shot or an individual portrait, make sure that your subjects are posed in natural, unflattering ways. You want to avoid stiff, unnatural poses. And encourage your subjects to relax and have fun and laugh together. Shots of students having a great time learning, they're what everybody wants to see. So, those are my top 3 tips on how you can take the best college photos for websites and prospectus use. And remember, a great picture can really make a difference in promoting an institution. With a little practice and some patience, you can produce amazing photos too. Now, thanks for watching. Today I've been shooting at Solihull College, one of the Midlands' top colleges, and I had the perfect lens for it, the 24-200mm lens. If you'd like to know more about that lens and use it in your photography, then watch this next video.